Want to sound more professional on stream without spending hours recording voiceovers? In this guide, I'll show you how to clone your voice with HitPaw Edimakor and use it for anything, whether it's streaming, content creation, voice-changing effects, or just for fun. Let's get started. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. The first thing you need to do is open the link provided in the description to download and install HitPaw Edimakor. Once it's open, click New Project to begin. Step 2. Clone your voice. Go to the audio section and click Clone Voice. Here you'll see the Click to Clone option. Click to add, and you'll find that Edimakor supports cloning your own voice in seconds and supports 30+ languages. You can either upload a voice file you want to clone or record your voice directly. Once you're done, click Confirm. Within just a few seconds, your cloned voice will appear in your voice library. Rename it so you can easily identify it later. Step 3. Use your cloned voice. Once saved, you can reuse it anytime inside HitPaw Edimakor, such as text-to-speech. The brain is a complex thinking machine. AI avatar. Hope you have a nice day. Talking photo. Is everything okay? Talking animal. There's magic in my voice. Video lip sync. I love Edimakor. And subtitles generation. You can also use the Change Voice feature to modify your tone and experiment with different voice styles.
The brain is a complex thinking machine.
Instead of re-recording multiple takes, you can generate variations instantly. This makes it extremely useful for creators who need flexible and fast content production across social media platforms. AI voice cloning is quickly becoming one of the most useful tools for streamers and creators. If you want to try this out, download HitPaw Edimakor using the link in the description. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.